Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get Fortuna standing fast. To begin, focus on completing bounties offered by Utico in Fortuna. These missions are your primary source for initial standing gains and provide valuable resources. Make sure to understand the Solaris United faction and their needs. Exploring the orb valleys will also reveal opportunities for additional standing through various activities. Once you have a basic understanding, advance your standing by engaging in conservation. Capturing animals like the sagoa or pauber provides significant standing. Additionally, mining rare gems and ores found throughout the orb valleys, such as axidite or traverite, can be traded for standing. Fishing in the frozen lakes also yields valuable catches for the Solaris United. To truly maximize your standing gains, consider using standing boosters, which double your acquisition rate for a limited time. Trading in rare items, especially those from conservation or mining, can provide a substantial boost. Always keep an eye out for special events or alerts in the orb valleys, as these often offer increased standing rewards and unique opportunities to progress quickly. Remember, your daily standing limit resets regularly, so plan your activities to maximize gains. Reaching higher standing tiers unlocks powerful new items, unique weapon components, and essential upgrades for your warframe. These rewards significantly enhance your gameplay experience. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to some fantastic socks and other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.